Oh! Come on, Luke, catch that guy, catch that guy. Catch him, don't let him shoot. Catch him. Oh, Jason!
Same team, guys, same team.
Oh, Luke, get it. Where are you going? Get that guy, get that guy, get that guy. Oh, it's yours, Luke.
Keep going, Luke. Carry it.
Go, carry him. Gotta carry those. Go after him. Way to go, Kyle. That's yours, buddy. 2 hands. Get in there. Get in there. Get him. Stop him. Stop him. Stick down. That away. Keep pushing. Come on. Play's not over. Get in here, Luke. Go, Luke, go, go. Shoot it, go. Stick down, Luke, stick down. We're going inside the blue line. Puck's inside the blue line. Turn around, backwards. There you go. All right. Backwards. Go, hustle. Follow it up. Where are you going? Follow it up. 2 hands on your stick, bud. Inside the blue line. Stop. Over here. Inside the blue line. Get back, Luke, get back. Catch that guy. Last guy back. Catch him. Who wants it? Who wants it? Go get it, bud. Go get it. Come on, go get it. Move your feet. Go. Come on, Ryan, Kyle. Let's go. Move your feet. Oh! You all right? Get up, Luke. Get up, buddy. 2 hands. There it is. You guys all right? Go, Luke. Go get it now. Go get it. Come on. Get on there. Where you go? Where are you looking, Luke? Where are you looking? Stop that guy. Backwards, Luke. Backwards. Look backwards. Turn around. Turn around. There you go. Good job, buddy. Go, Luke. Go. Carry it. Go. Fly. Don't shoot it. Carry it. Go. Carry it. Oh. Good job, Luke. Oh, hit. Go, Jason. Come on, Jason. Stop him, Luke. Shoot it. Where is it? Over there, over there. Go, carry that thing. All right, go get it, Luke. Go, go, go. Go get it. Out of the way, Gavin. Way to go. Nice moves, buddy. Take shot, take shot. Nice. Oh, nice, Anthony. Way to go, Anthony. Good job, bud. Way to move, Gavin. Go, Luke, go. Out of the way, Kyle. Go, Luke, go. Come on, guys, move your feet, move your feet, move your feet. Not your tushy. There you go, 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 go. Dig, dig, dig. Out of the way, Kyle, good job. Whoa. You gonna take that from him, Luke? You gonna take that from that guy? I want to see that. You're talking smack. You know, you got to prove it now. These guys are going to stop you, right? All those 5 guys are going to stop you. You said you're going to score, you better put it in. Nice, Ty. Go! Where's that goal, Luke? Come on, buddy. Where's that goal? There's that goal. Stick down, Luke. Stick down. Where's that goal? Come on, I want to see it. Come on, where's that goal? Don't stand still, Luke. Catch that guy. Way to go, Mill! Carry the puck, Luke. Carry the puck. Stick down, stick down. Go. Where's that goal, Luke? Come on, buddy. You said you were gonna score. What happened?
I'm gonna block it.
No, you gotta put one in there. It's 1-1. Who are you gonna do make the difference?
It's 2-1.
2-1.
Yeah, because I scored the rebound. Yeah,
oh, okay.
It's 2-1.
So then you gotta even it up. What are you gonna do, Luke? What are you guys gonna do? It's 2-1.
The backhand, the goalie, and the face in their rebound.
Yeah, right. Like you're gonna score last time. installed it, but a shift late. They don't change the batteries too.
Oh, I got it.
Was that HD?
I haven't really figured out what I'm doing with it yet. But.
I don't know.
What was that? What was that action out there? What did you just do? So what's the score now, guys? 3-2. Hey, are we gonna do it again? Get some more teamwork out there. Get some plays going.